Good morning everyone. Today in this video let's discuss questions of exercise 17b. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part is every point on a circle is at the same distance from dash. So suppose this is a circle. Every point on a circle is at the same distance from where? Center, right? So every point on a circle is at the same distance from the center. So here will be center. Next part, B part, a diameter is equals to dash radius. Yesterday we have discussed diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Next C, the entire length of a circle is dash. Suppose this is the circle. The entire length of the circle, which is marked with red color, is called its circumference. So entire length of a circle is its circumference. So write here circumference, circumference. Next, a diameter of circle is 1 centimeter. Now they have given diameter is equals to 1 centimeter. Its radius is, it means they are asking for the radius. You know the formula of radius. Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. Here I am writing in the short. Diameter is 1 centimeter. So put the value of diameter 1 centimeter here. 1 centimeter divided by 2, right? So you can write it as, आप इसको या तो हाफ सेंटीमीटर लिख सकते हैं और you can change the centimeter into millimeter, right? आपको पता है 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So in place of 1 centimeter, put 10 millimeter divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So you can write here half centimeter or 5 millimeter. Both are correct. Next, the radius of a circle is this. Now they have given radius. Radius is 50 centimeter. Its diameter is, they are asking about the diameter. You know the formula of diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 multiply radius. So put the value of radius 2 multiply 50 centimeter. When you will multiply 50 by 2, you will get 100 centimeter. And you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So this 100 centimeter can be written as 1 meter. Clear? So your answer can be 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Next, question number 2. Write true or false. A part, a line segment joining the center of a circle to a point on it. Suppose this is the circle. They said line segment joining the center of a circle. Center of circle को join कर रहा है to a point on it. सर्कल पर किसी भी पॉइंट पर मीट कर रहा है, right? Is called a chord. No, this is the radius. So this is false. Next, a chord that passes through the center of a circle is diameter. Chord क्या होता है? Any line which join the 2 points on the circumference of the circle. जो circumference के ऊपर किसी भी 2 point को meet करती है. Now they are saying that the line which is chord and passing through the center. What is it? This is diameter, and they also said diameter. So this is true. Next, a diameter divide a circle into 2 halves. Yes, upper part is also equals to lower part. So ये diameter क्या कर रहा है? सर्कल को हाफ में डिवाइड कर रहा है. So a diameter divides a circle into 2 halves. True. Next, circle of radius 1 centimeter is smaller than the circle of radius 9 millimeter. Students, first of all you need to understand जिस भी सर्कल का रेडियस ग्रेटर होगा उसी का ही सर्कल भी ग्रेटर होगा. So simply we can find that which radius is greater. This is 1 centimeter. एक सर्कल क्या है 1 सेंटीमीटर and next is 9 millimeter. First of all convert both in the same unit. ये सेंटीमीटर में है ना, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 10 मिलीमीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर 10 मिलीमीटर के इक्वल होता है एंड दिस इज 9 millimeter. So which radius is greater? This radius is greater, and if this radius is greater, its circle will be greater, right? A circle of radius 1 centimeter is smaller. They said smaller, but this is greater. So this will be false. Next, E part. A circle has only one diameter. Students, what is diameter? वो लाइन जो सर्कल के ऊपर 2 पॉइंट्स को मीट करे and which passes through the center. So we can draw so many lines like this, right? We can have so many diameters here, but they said only one diameter, so this is false. So students, today we have discussed exercise 17b. Now you will do this exercise